Achha, now all of you are able to hear me. Let me share the screen. Yes, Aratrika, you have raised your hands, right? Just wait, let me solve some sums, then I'll come to you, okay? Look at the screen. All of you are able to see the screen? Just shake your heads if yes. Aratrika, you can see the, okay, okay. Arhad Islam, okay. Achha, now in the last class we have done till some number probably 26 multiplication done, 32 up to 32 we have completed. Yes or no? Just shake your heads if yes. 22 we have completed. Okay, okay. All of you 22 completed. So Sharanya, Shampurna, just shake your heads if yes. Okay. Acha, now just we'll start from 32, 33. We'll start from 33. Huh? Just put the date. Put the date and write CW. All of you in your copy fast. And write page number. I'm covering the answers. Huh? Don't copy the answer. All of you, Abhinandan, Jana, why are you standing? Sit down and write it fast. Adrija Mukherjee, Adrika Khanna. Okay, now look, mark question number 33. Acha, no need to write this question, huh? Don't write this question. You are writing the question? No, to okay, good. No. Acha, just CW date and page number. Then look, answer. I am just reading the question. Try to understand it. Rakesh brought 30 sweets for donation. Okay. Suppose I have 30 sweets for donation. Okay. Consider it in this way. If there are 5 poor children, look, how many poor children are there? 5. Acha, total number of sweets is, this is 30. Okay. And there are 5 poor children. That means we have to distribute these sweets among that 5 children. Yes or no? Just shake your heads if yes. Okay. Acha. That means we have to distribute these 30 sweets among these 5 children. Suppose in your class you have 30 chocolates and we have taken 5 students. Okay, Adrija, Adrika, Taskin Alam, Arnab Bhuya and Aratrika. Okay, I have to distribute these 30 chocolates among these 5 students. Don't worry, the other student will also get the chocolate. Okay, in the next sum. Okay. Acha. Now, how to divide these 30 chocolates or 30 sweets among these 5 so that each will get equal. each will get equal. That means, look, it is just divide. Now we have to divide, distribute. So 5 will get 30. How much one student will get? Just normal division. Even this type of sum I explained in the last class. Sum number 32 also this type of sum. So now you can solve it. Just normal division. Look, total number of sweets 30, number of children 5. Okay, we have to distribute, or we have to divide this 30 sweets among these 5 children. That means each will get 30 divided by 5, because we have to divide the sweets now. Is it clear to all of you? If it is clear, then just show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay, okay. Good. Or no, it is clear to you? Or no, Bhuya? If yes, then show me your hands. Okay, okay, good, good. Tanvir Islam, okay, okay. Priyam Malik, clear to? Okay. Acha, now just note it down, write the answer. No need to write the question, just mark 33. Okay, mark 33. Then just write this answer. Write the statement properly. Total number of sweets 30, number of children 5. Okay. Now each will get just 30 divided by 5, 6 sweets. Acha, you have to write the whole statement. Okay. Write the statement properly. If you are doing only the division 30 divided by 5, that is equal to 6, marks will be deducted. Okay. Marks reduction will be there. You have to write the whole statement. Avinandan, Jana, completed? If completed, then raise your hands. That means you can just show your hands in front of the camera. Sampurna completed, then show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay, okay, good. Okay. Okay, sit properly, Tafrim Haq. Okay, good, good, good. Now I am moving for the next question. Yes, Aratrika, I have seen. Now I am moving for the next question. Question number 34. Look at this. Just heading 34. I am covering the answer. Just I am reading the question. 96 divided in 8 groups. 96 is divided in 8 groups. Okay. That means the number is what? 96. It is divided in how many groups? 8 groups. Gives what number? Just normal division. Even if you can read the statement properly, you can understand. Normal division. 96 divided in 8 groups. Suppose there are 8 groups: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the number is given 96. We have to divide equally in this 8 group, this number 96. So just divide 96 by 8. Clear? Now solve it. Just mark 34. Write the answer. Look, the number is equal to 96. Number of groups is equal to 8. After dividing in 8 groups, the number will be 96 divided by 8. Achha, now normal division, it is already done, but again I am explaining the division also. Okay. Look at the board. Acha, it is 96, na? 96 just divided by 8. You know the table of 8? 8, 1 is 8. All of you know the table of 8, so just shake your heads if yes. Okay, okay, okay. 8, 1 is 8. Now just we have to do the subtraction. 1 will come there and 6 will be there. 6 will come here. Now 8 twos are 16. It is clear. The quotient is 12. Achha, all of you can show the division in the rough. Okay. All of you just show the division in the rough. In the right side of your copy. In the right side of your copy. Show the division. Okay. Look. 8, 1 is 8. 8 twos are 16. Just show the division. First, if completed, then show me your hands in front of the camera. No need to raise the hands. Don't send that hand raise sticker, okay? Just show me your hands in front of the camera. Acha, Vinandan, write first. Tafim Haq written. Okay, okay, good. Sneet Manna, Shomok Shinno, Arya Haldar, okay, okay, completed. Huh? Sneet Manna completed to? Okay, okay. Sharanya Pal, where are you? Okay. Sharanya completed? Okay, no, acha, I am waiting. I am waiting. Note it down first. I am waiting for a minute. Acha, there is no doubt though. If no, just shake your heads like no. Okay, okay. Shampurna, is there any doubt? Shake your heads just if no. Okay, okay. Shaptaparna, written, write fast. I'm waiting. Now, okay, okay, completed. Good. Acha, Sharanya, completed. Right now, I have to move for the next sum. Don't get so slow, huh? Don't get too slow. Just note it down fast. You are too much slow. Don't get slow. Sharanya completed. I'll move for the next sum. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. I'm clearing the board for the next sum. Look at this. 35. Acha, I'm covering the answer, huh? Look, just look at the question. No need to write the question, huh? Don't write. I am just reading. Just listen to me. 72 people went to a trip. Number of people 72 in 6 minibuses. Okay. Find the number of people in each bus. Achha, already I told yesterday. Suppose it is asking for each bus, one bus or one pen. In case of each or one, you have to do division. But try to understand this first. Huh? Total number of people is 72 and there are 6 minibuses. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Acha, these 72 people will be divided in such a way so that in each bus there will be equal number of people. Yes or no? Arad Islam, do you have any problem? No, to? Okay, okay, okay. Look, again I am explaining. Look at this. 72 total number of people. and there are 6 bus. Okay, we have to divide these people into this 6 bus. Clear though? Now look at this. How many people will be there in each bus? First bus, second bus, third bus, fourth, fifth, sixth. Total number there will be, there must be equal number of people. Yes or no? Yes? Shake your heads. Okay, okay, okay. That means total number of buses are 6. So if we divide 72 by 6, then we'll get the answer. Now, then in each bus, how many people are there? We can find it. Yes or no? Yes? Sharanna, yes. Okay, okay. Then just shake your heads. Shaptaparna, Adrija, okay. Arya Haldar, yes to? Okay, Priyam, write it. Now note it down. First, just write 35 over there, then the solution. Write the statement properly. Write the statement properly. In 6 minibuses, total number of people 72. In each means in one minibus. Okay. Acha, I have to show you the division. Huh? Just look at this. I am just showing you the division. Huh? Look, 72 we are dividing by 6. 6 1. All of you know the table of 6. 6 1 is 6. It will be 1. These 2 will come. 6 2s are 12. Yes or no? Just do this division also in the right side of your copy. Show the division in the right side of your copy. You have to show the division. Okay, otherwise marks may be deducted. Okay, so be careful. Huh? Okay, done. Acha, no, you will not do 36. Okay, right now at first complete 35. All of you have written? Tanvir Islam, written? Just show me your hands if yes. Okay, 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 very good. Prashmita Nayak, just turn on your video and show me your hands if you have completed. Okay, Aninde and Avinav, Deepayan Haldar, Shomok Singho, turn on your video, and if you have completed till 35, just raise your hands. Okay, and if there is any doubt, those who have doubt, they will raise their hands. Okay, Acha, I'll stop to share the screen right now. All of you have completed. So Tafim Jenia just completed, yes or no? Just show me your hands, then I can understand. All of you are in mute, that's why just show me your hands. Okay. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Adrika, write fast, huh? Okay, good, good. Shampurna, completed? Acha, I'm waiting. Don't worry. I'm waiting. Don't get slow. Okay, good. Shaptaparna completed. Very good. Now I'll stop to share the screen, huh? I think, let me just check all of you. Sherin Shaiba completed though. Okay, some of you are not starting the video. I even can't understand. Start the video and just show me your hands, or you can raise your hand. Okay, now I'll stop to share the screen. Now just raise your hands, those who have doubt, those who have not understood, समझ में नहीं आया, then raise your hands. Not understood, then raise your hands. আচ্ছা, okay. সম্পূর্ণা, অদ্রিজা মুখার্জি, অহর্নিশ মিত্র, শারণ্যা পাল. Not understood, right? 4 students are there who have not understood. Acha, just let me unmute all of you, okay? Unmute yourself. Sampurna, Adrija, unmute yourself. Okay, you have not understood? Yes, yes, same.
Ma'am,
Yes, say, Adrija, I am listening.
I am Adrija Mukherjee. I am not understood the 35 number question.
Acha, number 35 number. Okay, Sampurna, which sum you have not understood? Sharana, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, same.
35, same, okay. Shaptaparna, 35.
Ma'am, not understanding in 33 number
33.
question.
Okay. Now just let me share the screen again, huh? At first I am making you understand 35. Okay, Sharanya, then I'll come to 33 again. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, look. Suppose.
Ma'am, in 32, we have not completed the totally 32 because yesterday when you was
Okay, I'll show you. Okay, at first let me complete 35. Everyone just listen to me. Those who have understood, they will also listen, huh? Acha, Sharanya, Sampurna, Shaptaparna, just listen. Suppose there are 3 students, okay? Acha, there are 6 students, okay? There are 6 students, all of you. Sharanya, Shaptaparna, Sampurna, okay? Adrija, all of you. There are 6 students, okay? And total number of, suppose chocolate is 72. Look, total number of chocolate 72. Clear? Yes, just response yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to divide these 72 chocolates among these 6 children. That means how many each will get? What to do?
Ma'am, it is divided.
Exactly the same thing. Look, now I am explaining in 72 people went for a trip. Suppose you 6 friends went for a trip. Okay. Shaptaparna, Sampurna, Aratika, then Adrija. Okay, Adrika, all of you 6 friends went for a trip. How many friends are there? 6 friends. Okay. And there are only 3 buses. Look, only 3 buses. 3 buses are there. Now, in each bus, how many friends will be there? In each bus. Look, there are 3 buses. Huh? 3 buses are there. And you are 6 friends. Then in each bus, how many will go? So that the number will be equal. Just look. Just say here 2, here 2, here 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Not clear. Again, not clear.
Ma'am, I am understanding.
Okay. Look. Again, I am saying.
Not understanding.
Okay. Look. You 6 friends are there. And there are only 3 buses. Okay. 3 buses. That means only 2 friends will go there. 2 friends will go there. 2 friends will go there. Then look, if we add them, all of you 6 are there, na? But suppose I am taking 4 friends in this bus, first bus. Then 2 friends in the second bus. Then in the third bus, there will be any friends. Any friends are left? No, though. 4 and 2 already completed. 6 friends. Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Yes or
yes.
no? Yes. Okay. That means we have to divide in such way so that in each bus there will be equal number of people. Clear? Equal number. Look, if here 4, here 2, then that are not equal, na? We have to make equal number of people. 6 people are there. Suppose 3 buses are there. In each bus there will be equal people. Then we have to divide 6 by 3. Look, by 3. Then it will be 2. If we divide, then in each bus there will be 2. Now you can check 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Total. Now it is clear to all of you? Yes or no? Those who are in unmute form, just say. Now it is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay,
No,
okay. Now
ma'am.
just,
In
no,
32,
we
we
say.
have not completed
Acha,
fully.
32, 32. Okay, 35 clear too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good. At first,
ma'am.
copy 30. At first, copy 30. 35. At first, copy it.
I
Completed
have
too.
already copied, ma'am. I have completed.
Okay, now I am explaining 32 again. Look.
And explain the 32.
Yes, 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 I am explaining. Look, 81 balls were divided. Acha, it is already in the statement written. Look, divided among some people, among some children, okay? So that each of them gets 9 balls. Look, total number of balls is 81. And we don't know how many children are there. But each will get how many? 9?
Yes.
Huh? Suppose, look, there are 10 balls. Look at this. There are 10 chocolates, okay? We don't know how many children are there. Clear? But each get 5 chocolates. Then how many children are there? So that they will get these 10 chocolate. 5. Suppose you and me are there. So each of us will get 5, na? Each get 5, okay? But total number of chocolate is 10. Clear? That means how many children or how many students are there? How to get? Just count. Clear or not?
Ma'am, it is 9.
Clear. Acha, one student is saying not. Look.
Ma'am,
Again I am explaining. Look. Acha, I told you there are 10 chocolates. Okay. And each will get 5 chocolates. Each student will get 5 chocolates. Then we can divide this 10 chocolate among how many students or how many children? Just say total to 10. But each will get total 10 है, हाँ? Each will get, एक student को 5 मिलेगा. Each student will get 5. Okay. We have to divide this 10 among some children. ये 10 चॉकलेट हमको देना है कुछ चिल्ड्रन में. Okay. How many children are there? If each of them will get 5, each of them will get 5. That means one is getting 5. If there are one more student, he or she will also get 5. तो अगर एक ज्यादा स्टूडेंट है वो भी तो 5 ही लेगा ना? Yes or no? If there are one more student, he or she will also get 5. Yes or no? Just say. Just say. Am I audible to all of you? Acha, you are shaking the heads. Okay. Now look, as it is given, 81 balls are there divided among some children. Divided is already given there, na? Clear or not?
30.
Exactly. That's why. In the same way. Now 81 divided by 9. Is it clear to all of you? Just shake your heads if clear.
Answer is 9.
Answer is good, very good. Acha, now it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, who have not understood now, just tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Explain 33 number of question.
33 is also the same. Look, there are 30 sweets. Total number of sweets 30. We have to divide this among 5 children. How many children will get this? Divide. It is, look, it is also given. If we divide this into 5 poor children are there. So each will get just 30 divided by 5. No? Suppose there are 10 friends. Exactly 6. Good. Okay, completed Tom. Only 3 sums we have completed today. Okay, no problem, but you have understood that is the main part. Okay, all of you understood till 35? Just yes or no? Show me your hands. Sharanya, Rit Chakraborty, all of you, if you have understood, just show me your hands. Okay. Okay, now look at this number 36. Okay, acha, today I'll not start number 36. It will be again confusing. You have understood just up to 35 though. It is clear though. I am just going to unmute all of you. All of you unmute yourself, but don't shout. Don't shout, okay? Do not shout. Yes. Now, if there is any doubt, just tell me.
Ma'am, we have not doubt any.
No doubt.
Ma'am,
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt. Ma'am, I don't have any doubt. Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. Now it is very good that you have no doubt at the end of the class. That is very good. Okay, tomorrow I'll start from 36. Clear?
Ma'am, I am Aratrika. Can I say you something?
Yes, Aratrika.
বলতে কালকে 36 স্টার্ট করবে ম্যাম ইউ tomorrow in yesterday you said that that number 27 you give homework. I do that in my copy.
Okay, that is very good. But not the other student, and don't worry, I'll also give that in the assignment portion. Okay, and Aratrika, just show me your copy. Aratrika, show me your copy. Okay. Acha, now today's class work, just show me all of you. Show me your copy. All of you first. Adrika. Okay. Riskin, Aryan Molla, show me your copy. Rit Chakraborty, show me your copy. Shampurna, Safim Jenia. Okay. Good. Arnab Bhuya, not your hands. Arnab, show me your copy. Exercise book.
Hello, ma'am.
Have you written anything? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, same. Okay, I have seen all the copies. Okay, good. Okay, Tata, stay safe, all of you, huh? Tomorrow I start from number 36, okay? Bye.
Ma'am, I made